How to hide apps and games on the Google Play Store. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to hide any specific apps or games for your kids using Google Play Store, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to hide apps and games, you just need to go ahead and open up the Play Store from your phone, and from the Play Store go and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and from here scroll down to the very bottom and tap on settings here. And once you're here inside the settings, go and tap on general, and under the general you just need to scroll down a little bit. You'll get to see the family. You just need to expand this option, scroll down, tap on parental control, go and tap on these, and first enable this feature. Now create a pin. So I'm going to create a pin right here. And once you do that, you'll get to see the apps and game. You can tap on this. You'll get to see it's allowed everything. And from here, you can actually restrict apps and games by selecting the age over. So he'll get to see the rated for 3+, rated for 7+, rated for 12+, 16, 18, and allow all. So I'm not going to allow everything. So I'm going to do it for, let's say, 12+. I'm going to do it till now. That means the rated for 3+, 7+, and 12+. The apps that's rated 16+, 18+ does not support on this phone. So you can select that and then go and tap on save, and from now those specific apps and games will be hidden from the Play Store. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.